Have you ever noticed that in moments of stress, your body seems to go into overdrive? Your heart races, your senses heighten, and you feel a surge of energy coursing through your veins. This is all due to a powerful hormone called adrenaline. Adrenaline is also known as epinephrine. It is a hormone released by adrenal glands, which are located on top of your kidneys. It plays a crucial role in the body's response to stress. When you encounter a stressful or threatening situation, your brain perceives it as a potential danger. In response, it sends signal to the adrenal glands to release adrenaline into your bloodstream. Adrenaline triggers a cascade of physiological changes in your body, preparing you for the fight or flight response. It rapidly increases your heart rate, causing it to pump more blood to your muscles and organs. Your breathing becomes faster and shallower, allowing more oxygen to enter your lungs. This oxygen-rich blood is then delivered to your muscles, enhancing their performance and preparing them for action. Adrenaline also heightens your senses. Your vision sharpens, enabling you to spot potential threats more easily. Your hearing becomes more acute, allowing you to pick up on a subtle sound in your environment. Along with the physical changes, adrenaline boosts your mental alertness and focus. It enhances your cognitive function, allowing you to think quickly and make split-second decisions. Once the stressful situation subsides, your body gradually returns to its normal state. The adrenaline level in your bloodstream decreases and your body enters a relaxation response. While adrenaline is an important hormone that helps us to respond stress, it is essential to find healthy ways to manage and cope with stressors in our lives. Engaging in relaxation techniques, regular exercise, and self care activities can help restore balance and reduce the negative effects of chronic stress. Hope you like this video. Please share and subscribe. Do watch other videos in this channel. Thank you and keep smiling.